Hi everyone, welcome to Baby Rhyme Time with Moreton Bay Region Libraries. My name's Liz and we'll be doing Baby Rhyme Time together today, and I'm so excited to have you all here. Before we begin, we have to start with our acknowledgement to country. So, can everyone please show me your twinkling fingers like this? They look kind of like stars. Aren't they beautiful? Alright, when we're ready, we're all going to say, here is the land. And here is the sky. Here are my friends, that's you guys. And here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up and hands down. We're on Gubby Gubby and on Derby People Ground. Alright, who's ready to start singing some rhymes? So, first up, we're going to start with one of my favourite rhymes, and it's called This is the Way We Wash Our Face. So, we're going to show everyone how we wash our face, how we comb our hair, how we brush our teeth, and how we say hello. We ready to begin? Okay, let's go. We'll go. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. This is the way we brush our hair, brush our hair, brush our hair. This is the way we brush our hair early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. And this is the way we wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. This is the way we wave hello early in the morning. Good job! Give yourselves a clap. What else do you do early in the morning? You might take a shower, you might eat some breakfast, you might get out of your pajamas, you might go to school, or you might go down to your kindergarten. Whatever you do in the morning, it's so great to see that you can sing along with me. Good job, guys. Alright, so next up we've got another one. Now, anyone who knows me knows that this is my most favourite rhyme of all time. So first, can you show me your hands like this? Okay. And how about like this? And then like this again, and then this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and oh, whoa. Okay, there's lots of steps, but that's okay, because if I can do it, you guys can do it too. This one's called Open, Shut Them. We ready to do it together? Put your hands up like this so we can start. Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Good job. Open, shut them, open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah. Wow, well done everyone. That's my favourite rhyme ever. I think that one's so fun because it's such a fun song to sing, and it has lots of cool hand movements, doesn't it? Did you like that one too? Alright, we're going to do another one, and for this I've got my shaker, because they are very, very fun to use. The little noise makers. See if you've got any shakers or anything like that around the house. You can use that when you're singing along. Alright, so we're going to do Miss Polly Had a Dolly. We'll sing that one together. Are you ready? Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-tat-tat-tat. He looked at Miss Polly and he shook his head. He said, put that dolly straight to bed. He wrote on his paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. Oh, good job everyone. Give yourselves another clap. And if you've got something to shake with you, give it a little shake. Woo! Okay. I like that one. Doctors are really great about coming in to help people wherever they can, and so it's nice to sing a nice little rhyme about a doctor coming to help someone, isn't it? I think so too. All right, let's do another rhyme. Does that sound good? I've got a really special one picked out for you today. Now, this one's lots of fun because it's another hand one. So, we're gonna have our hands up like this to start off with. And then we're gonna make them into some very pretty little glasses. And a pretty little hat. And then we're going to fold them and have them like this. But then Grandpa comes along with his big glasses like this and his big hat like this. And this is the way he folds his hands and has a little nap. So this rhyme's called Grandma's Glasses. Are you ready to sing along with me? All right, ready? Let's go. Here are Grandma's glasses. And here is Grandma's hat. This is the way she folds her hands and lays them in her lap. Here are Grandpa's glasses. And here is Grandpa's hat. This is the way he folds his hands and has a little nap. Oh, good job, guys. That means we've done 4 rhymes together already. So we've done, this is the way we wash our face. Miss Polly had a dolly. Open, shut them. And Grandma's glasses. I've got one more rhyme to go, and this is our goodbye rhyme. So first let's say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Bye. And we'll get our tickling fingers ready. You ready? So we will go, a tickle for your toes, tickle your toes, and a tickle for your nose, tickle your nose, and a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low and arms go high. A great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Thank you so much for joining us for Baby Rhyme Time today. Remember that singing these rhymes over and over again is a really fun way of bonding with your baby. Have a great day. Thank you for joining us.